my gosh, that's the best time I've ever gotten. Alright, in today's video, we're going to be testing out my Stage 1 GTS versus a stock E63S. Stage 1 GTS makes 625 horsepower and around 800 Newton meters of torque. Scratch that, 850 Newton meters. In the stock E63S, there's 603 horsepower and 800 Newton meters of torque. The E63S weighs 4,500 pounds and the GTS weighs 1,000 pounds lighter at around 3,600 pounds. The reason why we're testing out Stage 1 GTS versus stock E63S is because a stock GTS only makes 515 horsepower. So the only way to make it a little bit more fair would be to add some more juice. The main difference between these cars is the GTS is rear-wheel drive and the E63S is all-wheel drive. We have 265 millimeters in the front, and then in the back we have 295 millimeters. And then in the GTS we have 305 millimeters in the back, and then in the front we have 275. Wow. Sounds absolutely insane. I know I keep saying that for like every single AMG, but it's true. Like the E63S, the pops sound crazy. Here comes again. The pops in the E63S, they have a very different tone compared to GTS. You just have to hear it in person because you might not be able to tell the difference on video. Wow, look at this interior. Luxurious. This seat feels so much better than the GTS. We have the Dragy ready. We're gonna test out some 0 to 60. Even with my tuned GTS, I'm pretty sure E63S will win because of the all-wheel drive. Oh my god! Holy! Oh my god! So fast. Oh! Oh my god! Third time's a charm. Okay, there we go. 3.6. That makes more sense. Oh my god. Yep, we're good, we're good. Okay, yep, 3.6 again. 0 to 60 in 3.64 seconds, and then 30 miles per hour to 70 miles per hour in 2.4 seconds. Oh, fuck, that's... Yeah, I think my Dragy signal is bad back there because it's saying 6 seconds from 0 to 60. So let's do it again on this side.
That's fucking scary.
Ooh.
Yeah, that makes more sense. 3.7.
3.7, okay, so that was the sweet spot.
Yeah, with that wheel spin.
Oh shit, what? Oh my god, there's no way that's right. Oh my gosh, that's the best time I've ever gotten. 3.4 seconds, 0 to 60. Wow. Damn, that's crazy. Before 60 miles an hour, the E63S will most likely win. After 60 miles an hour, it's game over because the GTS is rear-wheel drive, so there's a lot of weight savings. This car is like 1,000 pounds lighter than that car, so yeah.